Good day, everyone, and thank you for watching this licensing update for the month of April 2022. As you can see, I already put the screen up, and aside from the changes to the product terms, I don't have a lot of other items to cover right now, so I suggest we dive right in. In the product terms, the first entry that they changed anything on is the Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare add-on. And the licensing model has changed from a per user licensing model where you bought licenses for specific users that you wanted to have access to the healthcare add-on. It's now sold per tenant. So if you look at the entry, the only thing that was changed is that they removed the healthcare add-on user subscription license and changed it to just Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare add-on. So right now you just buy one license, I assume, for Microsoft Cloud for Healthcare, and then you get access for all your users. You still need to have any of the qualifying licenses that are listed on the screen here. So any Office 365, Microsoft 365, or any other type of service like Power Apps, Power BI, Dynamics, whatever you have in your contract. If you want to gain access to the cloud for healthcare, you need to buy this add-on for your tenant. I don't know what it does to the pricing of it. I assume that for larger organizations, this is a very good change. That for smaller organizations, it might not make that much sense. Now, if you look at Microsoft 365, they have added remote help offered to the availability and prerequisites table. Well, you can easily see that they've done that, so that's not that major of a change. Then towards Dynamics, there's a couple of changes. So customer voice and digital messaging is added to the availability table, and they've changed a few other things that we go through now. So here you see that they added the product. No specials there. And they removed a couple of items from this page, like the embedded editions of Dynamics 365 services and the team members license features for existing customers. There was also another addition all the way here, third-party funds transfer. So certain Dynamics 365 services may make third-party services available that allow customer to transfer funds to customers, end users, or other recipients using a third-party service. Customers' use of any third-party service to transfer funds is governed by the terms and conditions of that third-party service. The third-party service provider is solely responsible for receipt and transmission of funds. Microsoft is not responsible for any aspect of the third-party service and does not at any point hold, own, or control funds. So basically what they're saying is they're limiting their risk if you ever make use of a third-party service within Dynamics 365 that allows you to transfer certain funds to the environment. Microsoft is not accountable for whatever happens to that, and this is not governed by any of the Microsoft terms, but it's governed by that third party's license terms. Microsoft Teams clarified Microsoft Teams external user entitlements. Let's see here on the external user entitlements, they've added the webinars feature. So right now you're able to host and create and stream webinars to all to large audiences, and that need to make available as well in the external user entitlements. So any external user you can add to your webinar without additional license cost. Notices. So I think we're here now. Yeah, this is the notices page, and they've added an NVIDIA components part. So within certain software, you might have components included of NVIDIA's corporation. And also here, Microsoft states that they are not the go-to help desk for NVIDIA. You're governed by their terms and conditions, and you acknowledge that certain NVIDIA components are not tested or certified by NVIDIA for use in connection with the design, construction, maintenance, and operation of critical applications. that is, systems where the use of or failure of such a system could result in a situation that threatens the safety of human life or results in catastrophic damages. Neither Microsoft nor NVIDIA shall be liable to customer or any third party in whole or in part for any claims or damages arising from critical applications uses. Privacy and security terms, a small update. They added Azure Health Data Services to the Microsoft Azure Core Services section. You can see that here as well. This list keeps on increasing. So for anyone that doesn't know, if you look on the privacy and security terms page, you have an overview of all the Microsoft online services. So everything in this table here is what Microsoft has as cloud services available to its end customers. Student use benefits. I don't do a lot with education, so I didn't bother to open this, but they added Microsoft Bookings to the student use benefit for Office 365 A3 and A5. Then an update to System Center, because System Center has gotten a new version. Windows Server already went ahead and moved to 2022 as the latest version, and System Center has now followed. So the 2019 version, as you can see here, has been changed to 2022, and there's no changes to the licensing model, just a version update. So if you want to know what the technical changes are to 2019 and 2022, I suggest you check out the product licensing session that we've done a few weeks back, where we discuss any changes that have happened on the technical side for Windows Server and System Center. Finally, Windows 11 Pro per device has been added to the availability table for the Microsoft customer agreement, as it's now available via CSP. So you can now buy a Windows 11 Pro per device license through the CSP program. And that is on top of all the other items that were already available. So the Windows Enterprise LTSC version was already available, and obviously the user subscription licenses were available already for a longer period of time. So that was it for now. I don't want to keep you much longer. This is what I had to share today. No major changes in the licensing world that I know of that we have not already covered. If I did miss something, please let me know, and I'll be happy to share my thoughts around this as well. Wish you all a good day, and thanks for watching. Bye.